My name is Daisy Jolima Figueredo. I am a student bachelor degree in children pedagogy. I am 31 years old. I live in Tocancipá. Effects of technology and the environment. From my point of view, technology has an global impact on the environment with risk factors that have a negative influence on causing environment damage to the atmosphere, water sources, glaciers, and the species of fauna and flora. Also, the consumption of energy has considerably increased the proportion of CM gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide in the atmosphere, especially near industrial areas. That's why consider the human beings should be aware of pollution, the technology impact, and the degradation of lands and the disappearance of species. That is why governments, governments contribute to a global approach to tragedy that's in present, as well as to rights, as well and educate the people of the world about the dangers that threatens. Creates strategies that help raise awareness amongst adults, young people, and children to put in practice and start recycling of home and avoid both solution against global warming. For knowledge we must recognize the continuous efforts of information, the training of all actors, economic, social, political, and environmental issues that we create a society proactive with the right to live in a healthy environment. Thank you.